How to turn off active status on Instagram. Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to guide you through the steps on how you can turn off the active status on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to turn off your active status on Instagram, it's actually quite very simple to do so. All you have to do is go ahead and then first of all launch Instagram, and you will see this type of interface, and then tap the profile icon from the bottom right of the screen. Then tap on the three lines option from the top right hand side. Then from there you simply want to look for the option called account center. But the thing is that Instagram changes their layout so frequently that sometimes it might be hard for you. So the easier way I would recommend is just tap the search bar instead and type in something like activated status, and you'll find a search result that says show activated status. Tap on it, then all you have to do is simply turn off this toggle. When you turn off this toggle, you will appear offline on Instagram. This way you will be able to appear offline on Instagram. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.